Assalamualaikum. How are you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to fix one phone J700. LCD is broken. I'm going to replace LCD. First of all, you can check your phone is on. Yeah, this phone is on. So as you can see, LCD is broken. So I'm going to replace LCD for J700. So let's start it. हम इसलिए जो है so now you must clean this all stuff. I'm fixing phones, so first of all is my first priority to clean phone nicely, properly, so when you put new screen, so that new screen will fit nicely and then the customer don't complain. So I'm using chooser to remove that old glue from the phone. It will take a little bit time to clean this. So now our phone is clean now, you can see. So now I have a LCD, so now we can test this LCD before we put it to make sure this LCD is functioning properly. Battery is low, need to charge. So now you can see this screen is functioning properly, so you can check everything. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 star 0 hash cancel. Back button is functioning properly. So now I'm going to use double tape and glue. I got this glue T7000 and I use double tape. Now I'm going to switch off the phone. Before you remove the screen, you have to switch off your phone so they don't damage your screen. Sometimes you see when you remove directly battery, so sometimes your LCD lights it gives you problems. Now I'm going to use this double tape. जैसे देखें मैंने I already put the glue and I put double tape. So I just put it about 2-3 minutes to dry a little bit this glue. After that I will put the screen. I think now glue is dry, so now I'm going to plug the screen. One minute. I forgot to put the button. Now you can put the battery and switch it on. Phone is on. Put the back cover. And I used to tie it with the rubber. I put 5 rubber so that LCD will fit properly with the frame, and never gives you trouble. As I tell you, the phone battery is low. Let me put on the charge and see. So now you can see phone is ready to give to customer. Everything is functioning properly. Everything. So kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.